As a small business owner, HubSpot is my favorite CRM tool. HubSpot is affordable, super user-friendly, and easy to use. And that's why here at GSD Solutions, we are an official HubSpot partner. So I'm Georgie from GSD Solutions, and let's talk a little bit about HubSpot. You might have seen their commercials, whether it has been physical billboards and signage in person, or the digital ads that I know I love to see all over social media. So HubSpot is a CRM tool, which means customer relationship management tool. So you can store all your customer details, you could track sales, you could do forecasting, you could create playbooks, you could create your marketing materials from here, such as email, newsletter blast, updates, forms. There are so many things you can do with HubSpot. And the best part about all of this is that they recently launched a small business plan where for $50 a month, right? Only $50 a month, you could get 3 different starter kits. You get the marketing, CRM, and sales starter. So if you are interested in trying HubSpot, or if you currently use HubSpot for your business and you want to know how to amplify that usage, reach out to us here at GSD Solutions. Again, we are HubSpot partners, and so we can make sure that you're situated, your team is onboarded, and all of your connections and integrations are hooked in. Did you know you could integrate QuickBooks directly into HubSpot? What about LinkedIn? Oh, you didn't know that. And you could even integrate tools like Dropbox Sign. There are so many ways to make sure that HubSpot is seamlessly documenting your customer relationship from start to finish so that way you can serve your customers even better. So if you're ready to either start using HubSpot or grow your uses of HubSpot, reach out to us at GSD Solutions. Use the link below to schedule a free consultation. If you found value in this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.